Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we'll be looking at the best strategy for trading step index, and we started this topic yesterday. Yesterday's zone was the part 1, so you can go back to the channel to watch it. Today we will continue from there. We'll be looking at different ways of milking the market successfully. Okay, so in case you are new on this platform, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, more especially within the foreign age. All you just need to do is just to take your time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very, very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, so what we need to do is to check out how to trade this strategy successfully. Okay, I mean this asset successfully without having any hiccups. Okay, in case you don't know, step index is is an asset that goes easily. Okay, it is not as volatile as volatility 75, and of course it moves just like boom and crash, and definitely it does not have the sudden spikes that happens in boom and crash. Okay, so it is combining the movement, the steady movement of boom and crash with that of the direction of volatility 75, but not as volatile as volatility 75, and is not having the sudden spikes that happen in boom and crash. That is the way it works. So this makes it very easy for most of us to trade it, most especially if you know your way around it. And that is why most people are always looking for an opportunity to trade these assets. Okay, for you to trade this asset, then you must be able to identify your direction, I mean the direction of the market, your support and resistance level. These are some of the things that will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So we will be going straight to the chart right now to check it out. But before we do that, in case you have any question at all, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen. And in case you are just joining us for the first time, or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. And of course, if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? So let's go straight to the chart. This is step index, and right here I'm having the QDC scraper trading indicator on it. Okay, from yesterday's video I introduced all you need to know about this step index before you can start trading it. So today we want to be go a bit practical. Okay, and we are not starting from 1 minute, we will be going to 5 minute time frame now. I will be giving my reasons for that. Okay, the reason is, okay, we want to be sure of the signals that we are getting, and we want to see how we can milk it for a very long time. Of course, the strategy we'll still be using today, it will still help us to see how we can scalp trade it, but the scalp trading will go for a longer time, not necessarily within minutes. Okay, so it will still go for some minutes, hour sometimes, and it will give us the opportunity to make the market successfully. Okay, so if you're having this setup on your chart, okay, you have the opportunity to make the market for a very long time. So what you just need to do is just to take your chart down to 5 minute time frame, and you should be able to identify your support and your resistance level, because you have more advantage around this region. Okay, for instance, okay, right here the chart is having our support and resistance. Then when we've got our 4 MA candles here that can stand as our guide for the trend. Okay, even though the trend might not be for so long. Okay, so let's see how we can go about it. Then we also have our arrows that shows us our entry point and our exit point. In case you are not seeing the arrows very well, let me increase the size so that you get to see it properly. Okay, sorry, let me see if I can increase the size so that you can see it properly. Okay, let me see. Okay, so that is it. So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So let's go straight into, I hope you all can see it right now. Let's go straight into what we were doing before. Okay, so you can see that when the price action gets to this resistance level, it started going down. Even though there are so many pullbacks, you can see right here, here is another pullback, here is another pullback, and here is another one, here is another one, here is another. There are so many pullbacks in between, but it gives you an assurance that you can trade this asset successfully. So how do you go about it? From the resistance level, you should be selling from there, while from the support level, you should be buying from there. Okay, then there is one more thing you need to know. You can see the 4 MA candles, they turn from green to a kind of brownish color. Okay, so you should know that whenever it is brown, it is on downtrend. Whenever it is green, it is on uptrend. Then we've got the arrow, we've got the red arrows and the blue arrows. Okay, so this is what I want you to do on 5 minute time frame, more especially if it's coming from a resistance level and you get your red arrow right from there, you can sell from there. So you can start selling from here, more especially if the market is on downtrend. How do you know that? You can see the 4 MA candles, if they change from green to brown, at that stage we have more stronger opportunity for a sell signal than for a buy signal. You can see right here it is on brown candle, and we got our sell signal here. You can see it came, we were able to trade right from here, sorry, right from this region to this region. That is 20 candles. Okay, 20 candles, if you should multiply that by 5 minutes, that is like 100 minutes. That's amazing, right? So that's cool. Then here is another opportunity. You can see a sell signal also here, also from here. That has also gave us out, that also gave us 11 candles, you can see. Then here is another one, we got another sell signal here. All these sell signals are important because the market is on downtrend around there, and of course the 4 MA candles is also indicating that to us because it is brown at that particular point. This actually gave us 19 candles. Okay, so you can keep on milking the market like that, following the sell signals alone on the brown part of the 4 MA candles. Okay, and if the 4 MA candle is on the green part, then definitely you followed with the uptrend candle, I mean uptrend signal, which is the buy signal. Okay, the blue arrow. Okay, you buy from here to the and you exit on the red arrow. Okay, so that is one way to go about it. So let's see more, let's see more on the green part. Okay, we got a buy arrow here from this support zone, and the 4 MA candles changing from brown to green, so you can buy from here and buy till you get to this level. It pulls back a bit, then right here we see we are still on the green part, so you can buy from here again and close it on this red arrow again. Okay, so that is the way it works. And right from here we can see that we got so many brown brown parts here, so which means we focus more on the sell arrows and focus more on the sell arrows right here. Okay, so you can do your calculations and enjoy the market even as you go. Okay, that is one way to go about it using this 5 minute time frame. Okay, another way to go about it is you using both arrows together. Okay, how do you go about it? Right here we got from this support zone, we got our buy arrow. Because it is on green parts, the buy signal will be stronger than the sell signal, so you can come in here and buy, then you close your trade on this red arrow, then you can sell from here and close it on this blue arrow. You can see that this is just for short period. The reason is it is on the green part. Okay, so right from here you can buy again and close it on this red arrow. Okay, then sell from this red arrow and it goes down, and you can see right here it's from green to brown, so which means it gives you an opportunity to sell for a very long time. So you close it on this blue arrow, so you can buy from this blue arrow. Of course it's going to be for a short period. The reason is the 4 MA candle is brown. Okay, so it was for a short period, and right here we can sell from here to this part. Okay, then you can buy again from here to this red arrow. Okay, so you can follow the arrows alone and milk the market successfully, and that is why I ask you to use 5 minute time frame for this strategy. Okay, I want you to go back to this to your chart again. Watch this video over and over just for you to understand how to go about it, guys. Just for you to understand how to go about it. The first thing you should do is to identify your support and resistance levels. The second thing is to follow the arrows and use these two methods which I have explained in this video. Use it to make the market successful.
Let's see how much you will be able to make at the end of the day. Make sure your chart is on 5-minute time frame. That is what we are dealing with at the moment, okay? And make sure you share your results with me later on in the day so that we can see where you are getting it wrong and where you are getting it right. And if there's anything I can add to it, I will be able to tell you based on that, okay? So I will be expecting your result at the end of today, okay? Try it out throughout today. Let's see what you can achieve or what you can come up with at the end of the day. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video, and of course watch out for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash that usually come up later on in the day, okay? That is where we usually do live analysis about on boom and crash, okay? And I usually give out tips on what kind of trade to go for during the process, okay? So that is the way it works. A lot of testimony have been coming out from there, so you too can join us again tonight so that we can do that together. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.